Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Jupyter Notebook Autocomplete. It will give you some suggestion while writing a Python code, and it makes your Python programming coding faster, you can say. So let's see. Suppose I type M and then I press tab. Tab is the option in keyboard. Everyone hope aware about this. So when you will press the tab button of keyboard, it will show the some suggestions. So you can use any suggestion. Suppose I use A, then I press tab, then it will show some suggestions. So like this you can use in this way, and I will show you more complex example. Suppose I type 1 2 3. This is a list and it has 3 values 1 2 3. Now I just write my and suppose I write M and then press tab and then I write Y, it will show me the my variable name. Then I can press enter. So it's making your coding very easy and faster. That's the benefit. Now you can use how you can use in function. Just use any function. Suppose I just write A. Now I'm pressing tab, so it's show me the append function. So append is a function, but this is the only function available which start with A, so that's why it's write it down by itself. It's not show me a drop down menu. It's because it's a single value. So this is the benefit. It can type by itself if it is a single value. Let's complete this program. My list and shift plus enter. So I just write my and then I press tab and it's automatically taken my list. Let's see one more example. Let's see example of numpy and then p, and then suppose a is equal to and p dot array, and then 1 2 3. Suppose I take it 1 4 5 6. So now let me print this A. So it's printing A. Now I will say dot what are the functions available with this. So I just A dot, then I will press tab. It will show me all the functions. Suppose I want S related function, so you can see again, right? So now I have to press again shape. So anything you can use, and it's showing the shape. So this is how you can use autocomplete. There are some more advanced autocompletes available. There are some libraries you have to install. For example, there is a name is Hinterland. So here I found it for you. People suggested Hinterland, but I would recommend that you don't need any libraries. Why you make your Jupyter notebook heavy? It provides good, so many options and provide all the option, I would say. So you don't need this. When you use library, it's provide auto suggestion without pressing any key. So that's the only difference I have seen. So you don't need any libraries, you can simply use this, right? And sometimes tab button takes time. So what you can do, you can just refresh this and restart the kernel, In that case it will become more faster. So this is all about Jupyter Notebook Autocomplete. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.